Alright guys, Grail punt number 875, a slider for Ultimate Fight number 4 second print variant, Halo 9.4, which is the first appearance of Miles Morales. At spot 1 we've got Rishi, down to spot number 129, which is Michael. And I've put this in the list. 1 there is Rishi, all the way down to 129, which is Michael. Just get a timestamp. So current time is 6:15 on Tuesday 27th of April, and 6:16 just ticked over on Tuesday the 27th of April in Perth, WA. Alright, so let's roll this dice. 3 dice roll. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright, good luck everyone. Scroll back up here. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, so 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and we've had 9 rolls, 2 more to go. Number 10, and final roll. Good luck everyone. PM me when you've seen this. Alright, so we've randomised this list 11 times. Let's have a look who the lucky person is. Holy moly, Mr. Koo, you've done it again. Congrats, mate. You're on a never-ending streak, it seems. Alright, thanks everyone. We'll double check that 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Kevin with 49 in the top spot and 11 times, and that timestamp was 6:16 Perth WA time. Thanks everyone.